with another video. This is our fruit seasons, like I told you in the last video, okay? So now we will be making some avocado soup, okay? So if you are interested and want to see how we got down, then please keep on watching. I'm just gonna be splitting the avocado into 2 pieces, like so. Uh-oh. I nearly got myself. Okay. And I'm gonna be going like so. It is pretty ripe and all of that good stuff, okay? Now, I'm gonna be putting the avocado in here. I'll be blending it. I'm gonna put a little bit of aloe vera juice. Okay. Everything have been blended. This is how it's looking. It's a little messy, but we're gonna clean it up and all of that, okay? This is my soap base. This is the soap base from Brambleberry. You know how I feel about Brambleberry on this channel. Literally all my soap base are from Brambleberry. I just hope this soap will be clear because this is not as clear. I don't have any other crystal clear soap base here, so that's why I'm using this one, because there's no more. I ran out of the clear ones. I have other base, but they're like the white base and other stuff. So, yep. So we are going back in the microwave and we will be right back. While I await the soap to melt, I'm gonna be showing you some of the ingredients that I'll be using. I'm gonna be using some coconut oil, some Jason's vitamin E oil, some carrot oil, some preservative, and last but not least, some fragrance oil. I'll also be using my cute looking thermometer and all of that to check the temperature. So base have melted. I'm a little worried about the color of the soup. That is going to take away from the avocado. I just hope it turns out really good, because I'm really gonna be hurt. I'm looking forward to seeing a beautiful avocado soup. So, yeah. Actually, I'm worried, but at the same time, I think I'm liking the color because it do look like avocado oil right now. So, yeah. Like, let's do this, because at this point, there's no turning back now, right? Okay, I was a little messy just now, but we are hanging in there. Now, it's time for the show, okay? I'm gonna open up my avocado. So on to the next step. Our next step would be adding some vitamin E oil, like so. I'll be adding some carrot oil. Oh my God, I just need a measurement. Like that. One more. Yep. And I will be adding some preservative. Yep, some preservative. Okay, 2 teaspoons of preservative. You guys, I do not have a written recipe for any of these products yet. I'm still trying them out, still giving it away to friends and family, because a lot of people be in my inbox and asking me what's the recipe and what's the measurement and all of that. So I will do a recipe, like a written recipe for this product, because I know they're good product, but not just yet. So I'm just putting that out there just in case if you're wondering if I had a recipe, written recipe for these. I don't. All you need to do is follow along the video, pay close attention and see what I'm doing. In that way you will definitely understand what's going on. Now it's time to put fragrance oil. So you guys, I actually forgot. I thought I added coconut oil. I just realized that I didn't. So I'm gonna be taking a spoonful of some coconut oil, like so, and I'll be adding it in like this, okay? Now let's mix. Everything is set and ready for the show. I'm not feeling this. I like the rose theme, but I'm not sure if I want to use it. But in the meantime, let me spray in here quickly and all of that, okay? Let me spray all over because I don't know how much you're gonna take. Okay, let's do our final stir, my final stir, and then it's time to pour. Let's spray. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the micro. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and I will definitely be back to unmold these. I don't know why my light is blinking like this, but something isn't right. My camera is going crazy again. So we are back to demold these soaps. Like, this is, I don't know what to say. This is just beautiful. So let's do this, okay? Go like so. Scratchy, scratchy. Have you seen a green rose before? Oh yeah. Boy, oh my God. Ah, can't get enough of this scent. Beautiful, beautiful, y'all. Yo, I totally forgot to put my gloves back on. I'm so sorry, people. I'm just gonna be scratching it like so. And I'm gonna be demolding these. Oh my God, it's so, I just love it, yes! But I am happy that I did the avocado, you guys. This is bomb, okay? This is bomb, you guys. Look at this. Tell me what you think in the comment about these fruit soaps. If I'm overdoing it, if I'm doing too much, let me know. I'm just having fun and loving these because these are so safe, healthy, and everything else. So I don't have nothing much to say, but beautiful soap, great job. I am happy and proud that I did this. That's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you all for subscribing. And until next time, I love you all. God bless. Bye-bye.